Hello, my name is Teacher Josh. What is your name?
My name is Maya.
Hello, Maya. How are you today?
Today I think I'm feeling great, but I have a bit nervous that I can't do the speaking test. But I think it's okay.
Yes, you'll be fine. You don't have to worry. Well, let's get straight into it. For the first part, I have some questions for you about color and about your health. First, tell me, what's your favorite color and why?
I think my favorite color is yellow. It actually makes me that color actually makes me feel happy. In some times I will use the color yellow to painting my draws in my picture. It feels good.
It is a very bright color, and I agree. It makes me feel happy too. And let's talk about the opposite. What colors do you dislike?
I think the color I dislike is red. It actually makes me feel nervous if I'm doing a test, but it's just like the screen or the wall paints red. I'm actually feel nervous and I can't do my test well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. It's interesting to know. Thank you for sharing that. Can you tell me of a color that makes you feel happy? Apart from yellow, is there any other color that makes you happy?
I think it's pink. It makes me feel low. It's made me feel great. Actually, it makes me feel more with my
More comfortable?
yeah. It's making me feel more comfortable.
All right. And what color makes you feel sad?
I think the color makes me sad is about black maybe. It's not. It's the dark color.
Right.
It can makes me feel down. I don't know why, but if I'm looking to the black color, I can feel a bit nervous and sad.
I guess it's because it's so dark. The darkest color there is. Alright, now let's talk about your health. Can you tell me some ways to protect ourselves from viruses?
I think the way that protects us from virus, first, we can take the medicine, or we can get a vaccine. I think that's the two ways to protect us from virus.
The two best ways, the only ways. Alright, and let's talk about what happens when you don't sleep enough. How does a lack of sleep affect you personally? What does it do to you when you don't get enough sleep?
I will feel tired. Actually, if I don't get enough sleep, I'm get tired and be slowly, act just like a zombie.
Yes, you can't really focus, right?
Yeah.
It does get difficult. Alright, well that's the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2. In this part, I will show you 2 pictures, and I would like you to describe each of them. And you can look at these questions to guide you. So let's start with picture 1. Please describe that picture, Maya.
There was a girl sitting on the grass. She was being happy and reading her book or drawing. She wearing a pink shirt.
That's a long sleeve shirt, yes.
Yeah, and she got a dark blue jeans. In the grass, there was some yellow flowers. She's sitting under the tree. Okay, I think that's it.
Alright, and let's move on to the second picture. Can you describe that one, please?
There is a doctor wearing a blue. What is it called?
The tie?
woman who's got a sore throat, and beside there was a man who's got a stomach ache.
Oh, I see.
And
Yes.
then we got an old man. I think it's getting a sore throat too.
It does seem so. How do you think these people feel?
They feel, I think they feel tired. They have a disease.
They have the disease, yes.
And the hospital painted blue. I think that color gets people look more healthy.
Make them healthy? Or perhaps just make them a bit happier.
I think it's make them get happier and
Maybe more relaxed.
yeah.
So they're not too nervous. Alright. Now we'll move on to the final part. In this part, I will describe a situation to you. Now here you can see Tom. He's a student who always feels sleepy and tired when going to school. And here you can see 5 options. I want you to choose 3 things that Tom should do to feel better. And tell me why you choose these 3 things.
I think I'm gonna choose the exercise this one, the sleep well, and the healthy food.
Alright, let's talk about the exercise. Why did you choose that one?
Because exercise should help us feel more excited, and it can help us protect from some ailments.
Alright, and here you selected the sleeping one. Let's say that's sleeping early. Why did you choose that one?
Sleeping early will help us get enough sleep, and I think because if we sleep early, we can get a deep sleep.
That's absolutely right. And then what about the healthy food? Why did you choose that?
Because the healthy food help us that it helps us more healthy.
Makes our bodies stronger, I believe.
Yeah.
Alright, and that brings us to the end of the test. Thank you. You did a great job, Maya. Now it is time for us to say goodbye. See you next time.